Don't go away, Mr. Truck.tv. We'll be right back.
Mr. Truck here with AutoFlex, the complete leaf spring replacement with an airbag suspension.
Mr. Truck here with another exciting trailer accessory review. This one's for your gooseneck trailer. It's from Gen Y Hitches. It's called the Cushion Surge Coupler, Torsion Flex. So it's kind of like a torsion axle on a horse trailer. And that, inside here are those torsions. And so as this thing flexes, those will move up and down.
Gen Y hitches. All you have to do is look at them. They're built like a bulldozer. It's all heavy-duty plate metal. Make them adjustable hitches, pencil hitches, shock-absorbing hitches with torsion, like a torsion axle on a horse trailer. These things will last you forever. You cannot find a better built adjustable hitch.
Replaces your leaf spring, exactly bolts to the same place your leaf spring did, puts pressure on your frame the same place. It's not going to mess with your warranty from the truck company. And it's a great system, just like the semis have. The leaf springs that we have now are very old. They're 100-year-old technology, the Hotchkiss leaf spring. The truck manufacturers make them longer. Of course, that makes it ride better, but also makes it squat more. Well, who wants your headlights straight in the air? With what semis use, like what AutoFlex has, with an airbag trailing arm suspension with a leveling valve, so you're level all the time. No matter how heavy your trailer is, your truck does not change. Your headlights do not change. Your handling is greatly improved. Your braking, your curves, the side wind, all those things handle better with this kind of a system. It's got a tracking bar to keep everything straight. An ideal system for trailers. You can also dump it 5 inches when you're backing up to a trailer, or just to reach over and get to your toolbox. All that is so nice. You've got onboard air. You can run an impact wrench. You can air up your trailer tires. All that is part of the system.